Is this a sculpture, or is it breathing? In galleries, we admire marble figures frozen in time, perfect, silent, motionless. But here, something different is happening. This is Xiaopeng IRON. It stands like a statue, but then it moves. Watch closely. The heel touches the ground first. Then, the foot rolls forward, toe off. The arm swings not mechanically, but naturally. This is not stomping. This is walking, as if the robot remembers something ancient about being human. Beneath that smooth surface lie 82 degrees of freedom, elastic muscles that absorb shock like our own tendons, and a Turing chip, silent, intelligent, watching. Xiaopeng is not shouting about specs. They are building quietly, quickly. Their goal, thousands of units per month, perhaps the fastest march. We do not shout. We do not chase hype. We simply watch and share the most beautiful and profound advances in Chinese robotics and artificial intelligence. If you believe that technology can be both powerful and poetic, please subscribe. Let us walk together into the next chapter. See you soon.